Okay, Lizzy, tell us about your situation before you started working with us. You were looking for a purchase back then. What were the circumstances you were in? What type of difficulties or challenges did you face when you were in the early stages of the process?
Well, we purchased our home in 2022 of August. It was a very quick transaction. We're very happy about that. We were searching from the beginning of the year. We had engaged Phil as our mortgage provider, lender, and we were going through the process. In that time, there was a lot of activity in the real estate market. Unfortunately, we did like 9 offers and we had no luck. Throughout the process, Phil guided us, things that we could do to improve our credit throughout throughout the journey. Finally, in July, we were able to identify a home, and we put an offer July 4th weekend, and we closed August 2nd. So in less than 30 days, we closed our home. Considering the market the way it was, I think it was excellent and quick process. PS Lending did everything possible to keep things as organized as possible to ensure that it was a speedy process. I felt very comfortable in the fact that they were very knowledgeable and were able to guide me and kind of give me different scenarios, what would be the best solution or what would be the best option for my situation, which I felt was extremely helpful, because we had reached out to other lenders and we got more of a cookie cutter experience where working with Phil, he sat down with us and he was able to craft a game plan which allowed us to visualize what our end goal was, what we as buyers can do to help move things along, work on our credit. It was almost like a big brother was helping us make our dream come true. And thank God it was just very smooth. Once we had the offer engaged, it was smooth sailing. So we are very happy with the process overall. We have referred PS Lending to other friends of ours, and we definitely feel that when you work with Phil, you're working with someone who treats you like their best friend.
That's so nice. Thank you for those words. And definitely Phil always does his best for his clients. So that's really nice
Yes.
to hear. And how did you find us? Did someone refer you to Phil, or how is it that you found us?
Well, actually, I've been working in commercial real estate for over 20 years, but I know Phil we went to high school together. So he is always made a big effort to stay engaged with his, friends and family and former schoolmates. And we're very happy that we have seen Phil evolve in his career, and we always knew that when we were going to get ready to buy a home, Phil was who we were going to call.
That's so nice. I didn't know you went to school together, so
Yes, yes, we
that's
went to high school together.
that's nice. You mentioned that you looked at other alternatives, probably other lenders. Can you tell us more about that? I mean, who did you consider, if you want to share that, and what happened?
Well, I would say, to be respectful of other lenders in the market, we had reached out for a few just to kind of sit down and get some guidance as to what the process entails, what we needed to be aware of. Many home owners, future home owners, many times don't realize it's a commitment to become ready to purchase a home. And Phil was very helpful in sitting us down and giving us a heart to heart and telling you, if you're really serious about buying a home, these are the things that you need to be ready to do to make it happen. And many mortgage lenders do not take the time to do that. and they're just quick to take your money and not really guide you. And unfortunately, there's, in my opinion, a lot of unethical mortgage lenders out there, and they're willing to do things they shouldn't be doing. And we did not experience that at all with Phil. He was, very ethical and very black and white, and there was no wishy-washy kind of process. Everything was very clear, and for us that was very refreshing.
Okay, nice. What advice would you give to someone else in a similar situation to yours?
What I would suggest to future home buyers is get organized, pay your bills, and start visualizing what kind of a home you would like to see yourself in. And once you are in that process, then you should engage a trustworthy mortgage lender, sit down with them, share your goals, and hopefully they can help you craft the game plan to make it happen.
Okay. Is there anything else you would like to say about the service we gave you, or if you have any feedback for us to improve? Anything else you would like to share with us?
No, I had a great experience, and I look forward to one day buying an investment property and engaging PS lending again in the future.
Absolutely. And we'll be very glad to work with you one more time. So